Hi, my name is Sheldon Garcia. I'm a partner at Spark Helmore. I've been with the firm for about 12 months, so relatively recently. I work in the projects and government commercial team, so that's a bit of a mouthful, but that's basically we work on the projects side of things and then also servicing government clients in the commercial space. And we have a specialization in construction within that team. So me and my team and my fellow partners, we specialize in construction. So in terms of what we do on a day-to-day basis, the analogy that I like to think about construction law, because people don't really do that at university, is a construction contract is a bit like training for a marathon or going on a long march. So this is, and also doing that with a weighted vest. So a construction contract is heavily disputed, heavily litigated. So there's a lot to a construction contract. So the benefit of that is you get to learn on the cutting edge or the forefront of drafting contracts, and then that translates into other sorts of contracts like services agreements or maintenance contracts. So if you know a construction contract, you can pretty much pick up any other contract and work and run with that. In terms of graduates and what they do on a day-to-day basis, I think the first thing would be coffee, of course. You need that to start the day. And then after that, while the brain is fresh in the morning, we would sit down because we work in team-based settings. So we'd sit with the team and we'd talk about a client matter, and then we'd go through the strategy, talk about the facts of the case, the law, and then come up with a strategy as to how do we deal with this matter moving forward into the next few months. And then after that, as a graduate, you might do things like document management, you might do chronologies, you might do some research. But also we'd like to get you involved in client meetings, so you get to sit in and learn about that. And then also, very importantly, trying to draft things. So whether that be drafting some court documentation, evidence, or some letters. So that's the sort of things we get graduates to do. In terms of some some advice, I guess, going into the process, the thing that was very important to me is that as a graduate, you're a sponge. So make sure that you use every opportunity, even if it's doing a document chronology or reviewing documents, it's a learning opportunity. So just be a sponge and make the most of, the process and the graduate program.